Hi coffee beans! Welcome back for another video! Today I'm gonna continue doing some more craft kits like I did a few months ago, and by popular request we are doing slime. Now, as you guys know, I have really terrible fingers, so my husband is here to do the slime for me so I don't have to touch it. Hi!
Happy to be here.
So, he doesn't mind touching, well, I don't mind touching slime, it doesn't gross me out, but I'm afraid it's gonna hurt my fingers. So, we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, so my husband and I spent some time kind of analyzing this package, but one thing he pointed out that I didn't even notice is one of the ingredients is sodium alginate, and he said what that made him think of was molecular gastronomy. So he feels like it's not a hard outside shell with slime in the middle. He thinks that the whole thing is slime and the inside is like underactivated slime, which I think makes sense. But I know nothing about molecular gastronomy except for poppin' cooking, which I guess actually that's kind of like what that is. Oh. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Oh, there's paint? What? Oh. Okay, I didn't expect paint. I should have looked. Stop it.
3 colors of paint.
Oh my god, it says 3 colors of paint. Here's your precious sodium alginate that you've been talking about. Activator. Our paints. This is the OOZO maker.
Oh, it even says that it's made with an inorganic compound that's also a type of salt. So your hands may become dry or irritated when you play for a long period of time because you're playing with salt. For best results, create the sodium alginate solution the night before.
No, stop it. Well, that's not happening.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
I got my shot glass, my cup of warm water, and our bowl. So what do we do?
OOZO'S base. This right here.
Okay.
So the whole thing.
Before the water or after the water?
It says 6 ounces of warm water, so put the water first.
Okay, Mr. Bartender, do you want to do the water?
No,
I'm sorry, the base?
The base.
And I stir it? Ew.
What?
Ew, it looks like curdled milk.
Sodium alginate is a natural substance extracted from brown seaweed.
I was gonna say seaweed. Okay, so my diligent husband has been stirring this for the last like 20 minutes probably. We're at this state. There's still some chunks in there, but it's pretty slimy. I don't know if you guys can see that really. So we have to stir this for an hour. So we'll see you guys later. Okay, so admittedly it has not been an hour, but it says to stir it until it's syrupy, and this is pretty syrupy. You're supposed to only stir it every 15 minutes, but he's just been sitting here stirring it, so maybe you could do that and trick the system. I don't know. Okay, so actually, yeah, what do we have to do next?
In a medium-sized mixing bowl, mix the entire packet of the Activator Powder and 3 cups of warm water.
Not in this.
In that, but we should paint this too.
Do that now?
Yeah.
And not this?
No, I mean, honestly, it doesn't matter what.
Oh, it doesn't matter. Okay.
It says 2 to 4 drop. You can get a little, you know, just 5. That's what, yeah, there you go. Oh, forget it.
Right now?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Are you paused?
Yeah.
Okay. So we set this aside and we do the activator, right?
so dip it in there. So just kind of dunk it. Then start to swirl. You'll start to see the OOZO'S form and gradually release from the maker.
What is this nonsense?
It says wait 10 to 15 seconds. Then pick it up. The longer you leave the OOZO'S ball in the activator, the harder it will get. Time to ooze. Oh.
Ew, you know.
Oh,
Ew.
We're an OOZO'S factory over there, okay? Efficient. I'm not playing games.
I don't even know which one.
No, it's fine. It's fine. We got different hardnesses. These look so cool.
They do look cool. Okay, guys, we're back. We had a serious camera malfunction. So now our space is a little bit smaller. This guy has severely deflated. And these have been sitting in here for probably 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And it's only supposed to be like 10 seconds.
10 to 15. This is good. Oh, it's squirting already. Oh, God.
Ew.
I didn't mean to squeeze that. That's their whole thing. That's the whole thing.
Like it.
It goes like...
Ew.
Alright, okay. Okay.
It went back in? What'd you do?
I dropped it back in.
Oh, did it harden again?
Yeah, that's what happens. You can make your own little mini orgies. Alright. There they are.
Oozing slimy spheres. I thought it said oozing slimy secrets.
Oh, that's... Well, it says start popping.
Ew.
And that's that
what
simple.
You do. So this is the first one.
Oh, I left him in not long enough.
No, we didn't leave him in very long. Do you want to put him in?
Yeah, we'll give him a little bath.
Oh.
What's the firmest one? Oh, this one's taut. Taut.
These are really pretty. I kind of wish they didn't pop. Like, I wish they stayed like this.
I mean, you can just leave it in until they get hard all the way through, I guess. But then what are you going to do with this? Alright, well, here it goes. Oh! Oh, God. And then it leaves this.
Ew, is that like a shell?
Oh.
Oh! Hello!
Oh, it kind of burns my fingers.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
It even says that it's made with an inorganic compound that's also a type of salt. So your hands may become dry or irritated when you play for a long period of time. I mean, I could see the
appeal.
Appeal. Oh.
Oh, ew, the sound!
It does pop.
Oh my God, it's like a zip. This is for people who like popping zips.
Yes, 100%. I guess that's me because I want to keep doing. Oh, that one came out quick.
Ew.
Oh, all right.
Last one.
Oh God.
Oh.
The theater of it all.
Well, that is it for this super messy craft or kit or science experiment or whatever you want to call it. I know I'm going to do some research on sodium alginate because, I mean, apparently my husband was just throwing that out there that he knew it was from molecular gastronomy, so...
Chopped.
Oh, chopped!
Chopped.
There we go. That makes more sense now. So, our final thoughts. It's a lot of fun, actually. The box says you can make 8, but we made 5 and there's this much left over. And the little maker is this big, so, I mean, you can't make them any bigger than what we did. So it would definitely make way more than 8 OOZO'S, so that's actually really cool. And my husband pointed out that he thinks this would be really good for a party. So if you had like a slumber party or a birthday party, this would be a really fun and easy kit for the kids to do. If you have any ideas for other kits you want me to try, send me a link and I'll definitely try them. Especially if they're slime related, then my husband will be doing those for me. If you have any cool creations or art that you want to share with me, tag me on Instagram with #BunnieDIY. I'd love to see what you make. And next week we'll be making another slime kit that my husband is helping me with. So if you guys liked him in this video, you get a whole other video with him. Don't forget to hit that like button and to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks everyone! Love you a latte!